We've been playing Notoriety together. We've been playing Nature Disaster Survival together. We've been playing Jailbreak together. We've been playing Apocalypse Rising. Now, in the game, we're now in Blood Escape. Cake567 or Cake567. Today I'm gonna be playing Blood Escapes. I don't know. We're gonna be playing proware and Toxina. So we're gonna go ahead and start this. Are you guys ready? Speak. We should do hard mode. Oh god damn! Before I start that, I need my actress. I need my dad. I need my gravity coil.
All right, Grim. So one of my friends.
Yeah, they can't join the call, but they can just join the game.
Yeah.
Alright, one more loading. 1/4 players left. Let's get this round.
Is this music copyright?
Oh! Oh god! Turn that down. Thank you.
I don't like this music. I like the old one.
You...
No! No!
You died.
The one I like is I need 6 more to get gravity coil.
Wait, are there music stop? Because I don't want volume music. Okay, let's turn this back on. Okay, music, shut up. Mute. Yes, mute the music. Because I don't want copyright.
Look at my eyes. Does this look?
Oh my god, that guy, he's kidding that guy's butt! Oh
thank god I muted that music. If I don't give a copyright.
Now one.
Oh, go.
Ah!
Uh-oh.
You don't want to
He's
die.
getting partnership.
Fuck my life.
Oh, he doesn't want partnership. Oh.
No wonder the water hates us so bad. Get over here!
Yeah, I just gonna die.
You can make it.
Yeah, I made a mistake. I guess that's what happens when you know.
Well, I guess.
There's.
Damn,
Alright.
I can't get over up there.
Painful choices.
Painful,
Alright, this.
dumbass choices.
So dumbass.
Oh my god, people are getting jumped in the water. Get up there! Come on, get up there!
Wait, is this hard or medium?
Hard. Shit.
Oh.
You will never make it out alive if you don't make it in time.
Keeping BuzzFeed like.
Dang, these guests are better than
Come on,
me.
you can make it.
These guests are better than me.
Fuck.
That's sad.
Proware, make it. Come on, Toxina, you can make it. People are cheering for you.
What people? I only have YouTube to cheer for me.
People are cheering for you right now. If you didn't know that, I can add it a goddamn video. So thank
Oh
you.
no, I fell.
Oh god, people are screaming at you. People are saying.
Can you be my baby? What the hell?
Oh.
Fuck.
That's.
I did my homework. That was nice to do today.
Is he talking to me?
No, no.
Is he talking to me?
He's talking to he's talking to sexy ladies.
Oh my god!
If he's talking to
This
me,
is very lazy.
That isn't good.
isn't he always lazy?
Don't eat me, alright?
Yes, he's always
Don't
lazy.
eat me, alright?
Don't eat him, or he can ruin he can ruin your life.
What's a life?
It's Twilight Sparkle life. Come on, I can make that blue spot. Rainbow Dash, you are making water right now. What I need you to do is don't
proware? What is he that say?
Twilight Sparkle you. Twilight Sparkle killed me.
Wait a second. FTCK me. Grim. There are odors. There's odors in this game.
Oh, wow, Rainbow Dash really loves your name.
Imagine I got Grim. Imagine someone misgender. Oh my god, I got up here. Easily. I got up here.
Come on, proware. You can make it. You can
do it. We believe in you.
What? I lost connection.
1.0s are better than 2.0s.
Seth, you're swearing. You're caught in my video. That girl almost got her body sliced up. Like, let's replay that. Seth, you're swearing. You're caught in my video. Oh man! Thank God I wasn't her. Like, get raised like a little baby.
Guys, I have a title for the video.
What?
Sucking at Floodscape.
Wow, I'm watching this shark.
Wow, this man is very. I'm recording too. If you haven't noticed.
I can't even watch you.
Thank you, guest. Thank you, we can go like Sonic.
Oh, there's a guy down there. He's got in the ocean.
Run to the factory. Why do you even put water under the factory anyway, boss? My boss put water underground because he wants us
My boss is
underground.
an idiot.
Oh, he's trying to.
Yes,
he's
that's
trying to
very
run away.
true.
He tried.
Oh, how
Grim,
lovely.
go.
How lovely.
We just shot a fire rocket at
Come
you.
on, let's proware. Proware, don't jump off the edge of the cliff. How about we all die together?
And if that happens,
Oh, right there.
Arm is almost cut off.
Behind you, bro. Behind you.
no, I can't climb this.
Shit. You see a little tiny person?
Oh
I'm
shoot!
one pieces.
I see what?
Proware
Reese's
is
Puffs, Reese's Puffs,
Wait,
Reese's Puffs,
Reese's
Reese's.
Puffs? More like
Eat your
racist
butt.
puff. More like
Eat his
racist.
butt.
All right.
Proware,
No, proware!
You door.
Actually, blame the girl.
Yeah, screw you, girl. Man, I'm kind of racist.
Aren't we all racist
Yeah.
at one point?
Yes, we're all racist.
What's this? Oh dear God, no.
Wait, is it Twilight? I'm kissing. Come on, you can do it. My gravity coil is very nice. Toxina,
I don't know where I'm going.
get here. You're in the right path. Go.
You could do it, Toxina.
Grip, stop blocking the door.
Near miss.
Oh, this is bringing me bad nightmares.
This nightmares used to give me and Toxina kissing.
Grim,
What?
that's supposed to be private.
Oh, you guys get out the video now. Get out! Get out!